Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and it is 5 a.m. here. I'm outside the building in my car. There is a fire alarm in the building, so we had to get out the building, and as you can see, fire trucks are everywhere. Over there. I hope you will find out where's that at and you can fix it. But anyway, yeah, it's been like what, 30 minutes since we are out here, and I hope it get resolved very soon. So this is what's going on here, and I hope everybody's doing fine. I'm okay. I'm just cold. I'm still in my car, so obviously, and hopefully guys we can go back in, and I will see you again next video. Take care everybody. Bye.